Hey there. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel Mahesh English Times. I'm getting so much views, so many questions. I would love to answer all of them. Thank you for liking my videos. I am Dr. Ruchi Mishra Tiwari. I'm PhD guide of English literature since past 6 years at University in Bhopal, and I'm ready to more than willing to help all the PhD scholars. My channel is devoted to English language, English literature and English research. This video is specifically for those who are already doing their PhD, who have started their PhD work, that you need to refer to MLA volume 9. Now MLA volume 9 has come up now after a gap of 5 years, and that needs to be referred while writing your PhD thesis. It is actually the Gita or Ramayana, such an important book for those who are writing their PhD in English literature. So MLA volume 9 you should refer, and this particular book is specially referred by the scholars of English literature while they are giving quotations in between the text, and also how references are given or bibliography is given at the end of the thesis, or sometimes at the end of each chapter as well. So in between, in text citations and citations at the end. So what are the rules that we need to follow while giving in text citations, while quoting in between the text, or giving references at the end? What rules do we need to follow? Those rules are given in MLA handbook. Volume 9 is the latest edition, and this edition covers a very important fact that nowadays the reference material or quotations are not just given from the books which are there in the library or from internet, but you can even quote from Facebook. Somebody has posted something on Facebook, you can even put that as a quotation in your thesis. You can quote something which somebody has given on Twitter. You can quote from even web series. If a particular episode of the web series, or particular dialogues of any episode of web series, or dialogues of any movie, dialogues of any television serial could also be quoted, could also be made as a quotation, as a part of your text of the chapters that you are writing in your thesis. So you can quote from Facebook, from Twitter, from YouTube channels, from web series, from television serials, even movies. So these are all included in MLA handbook volume 9. I'm repeating again and again the edition because volume 9 is the latest edition. So how you can quote, because many times you are not able to, if you are doing PhD thesis on a recent writer, so there are not many books available in the library on that writer. So you can quote from the newspapers about what people have said about the writer, or the writer himself has said about his books, from his interviews in a YouTube channel. And one more thing is very, very important, that if that writer is alive, you can directly take his interview and make that interview a part of your PhD thesis. That will be your primary data and a very important, significant aspect of your whole thesis. It will lift up your whole thesis if you quote the interview that you are going to take of that writer and make it a part of your thesis. So I will just sum up again what I have mentioned. A very important aspect of PhD thesis writing in English literature is you need to follow MLA volume 9, which has come up in the market. You can buy it from Amazon or anywhere it is available. Secondly, this book contains how to put quotations in between the text and outside the text in the references of bibliography. Thirdly, this book tells you that how now you can quote from Facebook, from Twitter, from YouTube channel, from television serials, web series, and make it a part of your quotations. And a very important aspect which I am underlining once again, if you're doing your PhD thesis on a writer who is alive, you should try and take that person's appointment, take his interview. You should take your interview and make it a part of your thesis. That will really lift up the standard of your thesis and make it one of the best theses. So all the best to all my PhD scholars. I'm sure you're doing well. I'm pushing you to do well. Give your best. And this is a very important tip that I have included in this video on those who have already started writing their thesis in English literature. So all the best to all of you.